Hello, welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today we are going to talk about the bedroom. I will ask you some questions. Please answer in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's begin. What is a bedroom?
A bedroom is a room where we sleep at rest.
What things are usually in a bedroom?
There is a bed, a pillow, and a fan.
What color is your bedroom?
My bedroom is light white and yellow.
Do you share your bedroom with someone?
No, I don't share my bedroom. I sleep alone.
What do you like most in your bedroom?
I like my bed the most because it is soft and comfortable.
Is your bedroom big or small?
My bedroom is small but clean and quiet.
How do you keep your bedroom clean?
I clean the floor and make my bed.
When do you go to your bedroom?
I go to my bedroom at night to sleep and in the afternoon to rest.
Do you like your bedroom? Why or why not?
Yes, I like my bedroom because it is my favorite place to relax.
Thank you for your answer. That is the end of your speaking test. You did very well. Have a nice day.
Thank you, teacher.